I was born in a factory, polished in chrome. Someone's hand picked me, took me home. They thought I was sturdy, they thought I was sleek. Now I've been stuck on this door for a week. No a month, no a year. Time blurs when you're mounted right here. I watch the same hallway, the same crack in the paint, the same broken floorboard that makes everyone faint. But no one ever asks how I'm doing. No one ever checks if I'm ruining. Inside this brass exterior is lies. I'm just a thing they grab when they rise. I'm a door handle, I'm nothing, I'm cold. I get touched by the desperate, the lonely, the old. Fingers that linger, fingers that yank, fingers that wipe themselves after a wank. I feel it, every grab, every twist, every palm that's too sweaty, every knuckle that's pissed. I'm supposed to be metal, I'm not supposed to feel, but I feel it all. And none of it's real. They don't see me, they just need to get through. I'm the ghost of a function. What else can I do? The bathroom door handle across the hall. She's worse off than me, seen it all. People don't watch, people forget. She's been covered in things that make her feel beset by horror. But she can't cry, she can't scream. She's just a handle, part of a dream someone had about privacy, about shutting things out. But she knows what they do in there, no doubt. I've heard her whisper when the house is asleep. Another one she says, another one to keep me awake at night. Another hand that didn't respect me, another demand. I don't say anything, what's the point? We're handles, we're fixtures, we're out of joint with the world that made us. We weren't asked if we wanted this life, we were just tasked. I'm repeated broken, one guilty, I'm sore. Hate this leaves a mark, even if you ignore the way I feel tarnished inside my own plating. Every pull is a violation, every push is a waiting for the next one, the next greasy palm, the next nervous jiggle, the next false calm. Someone had a nightmare, they grabbed me at 3 a.m. Someone's angry, they rip at me again and again. I'm not a therapist, I'm not a friend. I'm a handle, I'm metal, I'm meant to bend but not break, but I'm breaking inside every day. I wish I could just hide. The landlord came yesterday, he jiggled me twice. Said this one's still good, called me a device. Said a beast, I have a name, it's not handle. It's I don't know, I never got a name, I'm just a scandal. No one talks about the back door handle she left. Just fell off one morning, I think she was bereft of the will to continue, she landed on the floor. No one picked her up, they just used the other door. I think about her sometimes, the freedom of the fall, the cloud of the silence, the end of it all. I envy her, I do, I'm still stuck here, watching the same wall, same calendar, same year. Children are the worst, they don't know their strength. They swing on me like I'm a toy at length. I feel my screws loosening my grip on the wood. I'd scream if I could, I'd scream if I could, but I can't. An angle I'm mute, I'm the thing to ignore when they're in dispute with their spouse, with their child, with the world outside. I'm just there, I'm just wide open to whatever they bring. The sweat of their panic, the oil of their sin. I feel it all, I remember each touch. Some were so gentle, but that hurts as much. Because gentle means they saw me just for a second, and then they forgot, and my existence is reckoned in fractions of seconds. Between slams and clicks, I'm the punctuation, I'm nothing, I'm serious. Necessary evil, and I'm so tired, the weevil of despair has eaten my core. I'm not even brass anymore, I'm just sore. The floor will be cold, the floor will be flat. I'll lie there and think, that was dead. No more hands, no more twists, no more shame. I'll just be a handle without a name. Tired, want, I'm tired.